The Phoenix, Arizona garden in April is a garden in transition. If you don't get things into the garden now, you won't have a summer garden. While the garden in April isn't anything amazing to look at right now, some of the flowers are beautiful. The garden looks absolutely anemic compared to March, but with that said, let's see what's in the main bed. A lot of the cool season crops are going away and we're transitioning to the more heat-loving ones. This is a Swiss chard plant, which I've been told can go through the entire summer, and we're going to run an experiment and see if it works. We have stock flowers. We have a Santa Fe chili. We have where celery's trying to regrow, petunias. We still have spinach in the garden. We have a bunch of snapdragon flowers, which are just beautiful. And then here, we have the beginning of sunflower plants. We've got these spaced out through the garden. We have some more stock, snapdragons, petunias with the sunflower going through, more Swiss chard. We have a summer squash plant right there, and my dog decided to eat most of it. We've got spinach still growing. We have our tomato plant right here. Those are sweet 100s. More sunflowers. We have another pepper plant growing right there. We have lavender right here that's getting ready to bloom. We have a little bit of thyme over there in the corner. We have some geraniums and coreopsis. We have the cut green onions. We have sunflowers. We have another tomato plant right there. And we have some romaine lettuce still growing in the background. More sunflowers, a bell pepper plant that we're trying to revive. We have black beauty eggplant. We have red zinnias. More black beauty eggplant. A tomatillo plant, romaine. And then we have Armenian cucumbers. That was the main garden, and the side garden over here. We have red zinnias, we have green onion cuttings, we have oregano, more green onion cuttings, and a red zinnia. In either corner, we're going to have Malabar spinach that should sprout here. And then this is a loofah plant. The loofah will climb all the way over the trellis by the end of the summer. Over here, we now have our sweet potato garden. Here are the sweet potato slips that have been planted, and they should be ready sometime during summer. They do extremely well in our heat. This is red potato, and it's getting ready to be pulled as it's starting to die back. And this 2x4 foot bed is the same as the other. We got zinnias, green onion cuttings, we have marjoram, green onion cuttings, red zinnia, and in the corner there, we have Malabar spinach. That's the loofah and Malabar spinach. Thank you for joining me on this garden tour. And if you are going to plant something in Phoenix, now's your time to do it, because it's going to start to heat up very, very quickly, and it makes it very hard for your plants to get established. Thank you, and have a great day.